shape. And another thing that I really like about this is it's not exactly the same shape or lash shape. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So first of all, थोड़ी सी background noise बढ़ वाली है because it's officially summer, and if I turn that off, I'm gonna melt. I am going to melt, so please bear with that. Also, I'm in my new fab shop. If you guys haven't watched my IKEA haul where I go and pick up my new chest of drawers, do check it out. But today's video is going to be strictly makeup related because I have some like really exciting stuff. When I say exciting, I personally am most excited about this thing right here. This is a NYX Jumbo Lash Fringe Glam kit. So you basically get this liner situation, and you have sort of lash, which apparently gives you a very lash extension effect. So I'm excited to see how that works out. Also, if you think my hair is annoying you in this video, I am so sorry because I cannot tie it up just yet. I need to get the shoot done. I got it blow dried and curled and all of that. Although you can't see it. Can you see it? It's already dropping. Story of my life. Yeah, I just don't want to tie it up and ruin the effect. So I don't have any primer. So the primer I'm using today is this one, the Glass Glow Pre-Makeup Oil. Although this might not be suitable for this weather, but my skin is also very dry. So you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. Let's dive right into this new product. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 CC Light Mousse. I picked this up in the shade 03 Bronze. I will be very mad if this is just a repackage of their already existing Mousse foundation that I tried like a couple of years ago, and it was pathetic. It was so bad. I remember just never reaching out. Firstly, I don't really like Mousse foundations. I don't know why I picked this up. Very random purchase, but I already feel like this is going to look really crusty on my skin. But good for this new product that I've oiled my skin, so chances are it's not going to be that bad. I'm just directly going to dive in with my fingers and see what happens. I actually don't know what is the protocol when it comes to applying a Mousse foundation. So let's see. Is this too light? I don't know. Let's see.
Just go.
Let's see.
Don't let the
शायद ज़्यादा अप्लाई कर लिया. Let's blend this out.
good test on. It's called a good one.
Oh, my right man is coming through. It's already looking patchy. I don't know if it's because of the oil or with what, but it's hanging on in a weird way. Okay, let me zoom in. Maybe you can see him off the camera is picking it up. Can you see it? It's so patchy here. Yeah. So it's spinning slightly. Well, and bonding, which is not nice. It just feels like it's sitting on top of my skin. Which is honestly such a waste of time because now I'm going to remove this and redo my makeup later because I have like a really important shoot. Do you see like it's like sticking to my hair? Okay, we are not off to a good start. It is a CC cream. Of course, the coverage is very little to none. You can still see my mask, my tan over here and all of that. But it's not looking nice. And see, it's like not giving the finish that I want. So, we're gonna move on. I'm not gonna like continue with the rest of my base makeup because I'll ultimately remove this. But we can, however, dive right into this new product. This is the NYX Jumbo Lash Fringe Glam Kit, and this was expensive. Let me tell you, this was for 2,750 rupees, which is not cheap by any means. But the way I justified it was I'm getting two products, which is one liner sketch and glue situation, and the other is lash, of course. So firstly, love the packaging. I love the whole green packaging that NYX is doing nowadays. Let's see, I'm super excited for this. Reason being, I've tried, what are these called? Let me just like give you a name first. This is called as Lash Liner Glue something. But I've tried one of these, actually two of these before, and they've just never worked out so well for me. So I'm like, I have high hopes with this product because, hold on, let me just wipe this. This is like driving me crazy. Where was I again? Yes, so I watched like a bunch of videos and I noticed that this dries out fast, so you have to be like really quick with your lash application. So before I even start to apply this, I'm just going to take the lash out first and see if this really fits my eye. That's important, you know. I think I'll trim it from outside. And honestly, I was just thinking about it. If this works incredibly well, this whole kit might just be worth it, you know, because so far I've not found something which really works. Like it will work for a couple of times and then after like a few uses, the adhesiveness just dies or something. I'm not sure. Let's see. So this is for this. I am not apply the liner. I'm starting off with a very thin liner, but अगर इस पे नहीं चिपका तो I'll do like a thicker liner. Let's put this to the test. It's moment of truth. I don't know अभी wait करना चाहिए या बस चिपकाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए. Let's just try. Look, not bad, you guys. चिपक गया ये तो. Even the inner corner is intact. Oh, that's so nice. Stand up, that's so pretty. I understand why they're calling it lash extension situation because it's so natural. Like, इसका जो क्या बोलते हैं, the band है, it's so thin. Can you guys see that? That looks stunning. I mean, कुछ भी मत करो and just put this on. And it's so lightweight, like लग भी नहीं रहा that I have lashes on, which is quite nice. Loving it. I'll be releasing tonight. At least for now. Let's see what happens like in a few uses. But loving it. Also, the biggest problem I face is with the inner corner. बाकी का ज़रूर चिपक जाएगा. But inner corner थोड़ा बाहर आता रहता है. And that's the most annoying thing about these kind of liner, adhesive liners. So yeah, I'm gonna do this side. It was very easy. I don't think I have to like show you again because liner लगाया थोड़ी देर क्या मतलब a couple of seconds I had to wait and then it just stuck on. No rocket science. It's so simple. I love it. I'll be back. I'm back after doing the other eye and it was such a breeze. By the way, I also did my eyebrows and changed my base. So for my base and it was to my Mama Earth Hydra Glow CC cream. This is so use a priming oil underneath and it's a beautiful combination. Like you can see, it gives you the most beautiful glow. Of course, you have to like set it down a little bit. Talking about this was such an easy application, honestly. You know, I feel like it's going to fall off or it's hanging to its dear life. I'm not feeling like that at all. ये थोड़ा सा निकला है, I think because ये वाली line मैंने बहुत पतली की भी है. So let me like fix it. Let's see if this works because this is my pet peeve with these kind of what are these even called lash adhesives that the inner corner just does not stick. And I mean, I'm sure it's because of my own fault. अंदर की line मैंने बहुत पतली बनाई थी because like you can see this side it's there, it's not moving, it's not coming out or anything. This side not so much. So I'm just like trying to fix this situation here. And it's on. Amazing. Moving on, I have this new product from Mars, Northern Lights in a pan palette. This is their duochromatics, which goes from green to bronze. Love it. The reason I picked this one in particular is because I didn't have this shade in a duochromatic collection that I have. Yeah, I have the purple one, the pink one, and from different brands, but this is something that I did not own. So like you can see the reflex or like the duochrome effect right in front of you. Oh my god, it's so stunning. What I'm going to do is, because I have to keep my makeup really neutral and natural, I'm not going to apply it on over my lid, but I'm just going to apply this right on the excess liner that I've applied. I think it'll look really pretty because I already have like, okay, but that already looks pretty. This is the shadow that I applied for my Zoma Land makeup, and let me tell you, I saw so many people just like looking at my eyes in specific, and I'd almost forgotten that I had this on. And when I came back, I'm like, oh, so this is why people were looking at me in a good way, of course. So wrong choice of brush. Use a stiff brush to do this because अब ये shadow मेरे पूरे lash पे है और अब मुझे time लेके इसको हटाना पड़ता. Not that great. So for my lips now, I have this new product from Typsy Beauty. This is their Twist and Pout lipstick and lip liner situation, and I bought this in the shade. Space Tea. Again, this is something that I had on my Zoma Day event, and I absolutely loved it. I think it's quite long lasting, unless of course you're eating like a very oily meal, like a burger or something. So of course it's gonna move and budge. And I love it. There's something about this lip liner. It just is so perfect for overlining. It applies very nicely. It just gives you that beautiful crisp line. I like that it's not too thin because then I can also like very quickly fill in certain areas that I want to fill in. And of course the other side of the product is also very interesting, is this triangle shape, which like makes it very easy to fill in your lips. I've been quite liking it. I just don't like the price point. Like it's priced at 1,000 rupees, but again, the way I justified it was, I'm getting 2 products in one. And another thing that I really like about this is it's not exactly the same color, on both the sides. You get complementary colors. So the lip liner is on the darker side. The lipstick is slightly neutral, nude, long lasting. So yeah. And yep, there we have it. I'm all ready for my shoot. I might tone down the lip color because this is थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लग रहा है for the look that I have to shoot. Yes, for the video that I have to shoot. But let's talk about everything that we use today. This Lakme CC cream situation, probably not for somebody with dry skin like mine. And I'll give this another shot though. Let's see how that goes. But I don't have high hopes from this anyways. This situation. How many times have I said situation today? I'm sorry if I'm misusing the word, but it is a situation. It's not one product, This is quite nice, you guys. I am going to again test this out in multiple different ways. The next time I use this, I will try and do like a very thin liner and then see how this, how my lash sticks onto this liner. I have a feeling though you might have to do like slightly thicker liners so that your lash is able to stick on properly. But anyways, I'm going to play around with this. So far I'm loving this whole duo set together because the lash itself is very lightweight. It does not feel like anything. I did not have to fuss with glue at all, which is amazing because of this liner. What else? This lip situation is amazing. I love this. I'm gonna go with a slightly newer version, like an everyday version, because of course I cannot rock such a bold lip every single day, but it's a beautiful lip color for sure. The price could have been slightly less for what this is. I know Mars is doing a similar product. Let me know if you guys want me to like review the Mars lip liner and lipstick situation. I think I can do that. But I mean, it does feel like a premium product, premium lip product. It's not dry, it does not go patchy. I don't have to reapply like a couple of times. Just one swipe and you get beyond beautiful pigmentation. And how can I forget this tiny little baby? It's beautiful. I'm happy that I added this in my collection because I don't have this color. And it's stunning. It's definitely going to catch attention if that's what you're looking for. It's perfect for parties, events, just like any night occasion, because that's when it's going to show you its full effect. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope I'm able to, shorten the editing and make it a smaller video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. You can subscribe to the channel and you can click on the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I post next. You get following me on Instagram right over here, by the way. And I'll see you in my next video.